Hey my loves, welcome back to our channel. We are here with another one. We are back with Asteria hair. Asteria hair is like a human hair distributor. And they actually specialize in like wigs and lace fronts and everything wonderful that we love. So shouts out to them. This is the box, okay? Super cute. The things that I really loved about this was that it came with the wig bag, which is my new obsession in real life because I got so many wigs and I can't pack the boxes in. It's too much for me. And then it came with the actual edge scarf, which is also one of my favorite things. Like everybody, the branding, come on y'all, push through and push through. So they also gave us a wig cap, okay, an adjustable band. All right, and this is the ones that you can sew into the wig. We are reviewing the DeepWave, okay, 20-inch 6x6 unit, okay. This hair feels really beautiful. I'll say that already. Now I have a medium size cap. I'm going to show you guys the inside. All right. And again, this is 6x6, okay? And it has 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, adjustable straps, Wakanda forever. And we're just going to get right into her. I'm actually super excited about this one. We're going to do some cute little styles with her. So we're just going to go right on through and lay this unit all the way in. We got to put them over the bed, okay? So I'm just using my Got to Be glue to go in. It's only a 6x6 lace, right? So you don't have to go all the way across. But I'm just going to go through and make sure we get as much of this laid down as possible, okay? Don't judge me for using a piece of paper. I could not find my blow dryer. So we're just going to go through and lay our 6x6 lace. Now we just want to apply a little bit of pressure so she really does hold, because what I want to do is go back and do a cute little style for you guys after laying her down and you guys seeing the the first product of this hair. Now, this unit is 180% density, okay? She is stunning. She's currently going for $225, which actually, if I could be very honest about this hair, that is reasonable for 20 inches worth of this hair. And at this thickness, it's super thick, but it's not heavy at all. And I really, really do like that. So I have a medium size cap, and this is a little bit big head friendly, but we definitely have her Wakanda forever in the bag. For this not to be like a full frontal unit, I was super surprised at how well this unit parted and how much actual parting space it had. Like, it is super, super stunning. Now, I know y'all sitting back clutching y'all pearls about the price point at $225 for a 20-inch unit. But when I tell you, this is some of the best hair, and I am super surprised, some of the best hair that I've felt in a long time, and I do these human hair units often, I must say that, like, I honestly and truly do recommend Asteria hair. It is stunning. And I've said that 1,000 times, but I mean it. All right, guys, we're back with our Asteria hair. I'm obsessed with this. Like, this is her fresh out the pack. I'm like coming to you guys. I wanted to make sure that she looks super good for you. And she does. This hair is so lightweight. Like, I'm obsessed with this hair. Like, obsessed. She's so lightweight, so stunning. Like, I just can't get enough. I went to the Sloss and Swap meet, and the guy was like, sis, is that your hair? And I was like, what is that? I pick it up where I can. Let me turn around for you guys. Okay. This hair is absolutely stunning. Asteria outdid themselves with this one, okay? So I'm going to do one more style. We're going to jump back and do one more style so you guys can get into her because she is fire. All right, y'all, we back. So we just gonna go through and part our 6x6 lace into 2 cute little ponytails. I'm gonna do a cute little style. Look how well this hair parts. It's just, I'm a little bit impartial to full frontal units. Like, I prefer a lace front, because just a lace front, not a lace frontal, because I just find it to be a little bit easier, especially for all of us girls on the go. It's a little bit easier to just lay a lace front. But the fact that this is 6x6 and it gives you that full coverage that a frontal would without all the glue and the mess, come through Asteria hair. I really, really do recommend just the ease of getting a 6x6 or just a lace front. Is just like, I think we're moving back in that direction, which is why they actually pulled out all the stops on this one. Doesn't shed very much. Okay, the texture of the hair is super soft. I was really happy with this. Like, I don't know, I'm feeling like a Barbie girl in a Barbie world. I don't know if y'all picking up what I'm putting down. Okay, I'm feeling like a young girl, whatever. Check out Asteria hair. They have a beautiful selection, and let me know what you guys are thinking, okay? And I'll see you beautiful mugs later.